authenticate to your Agentforce agents, once you've installed the application into Salesforce and Microsoft Teams, navigate to the Centro app and then navigate to the Agentforce tab. Go to the icon of the person with the key, and this is where you will authenticate. Click the three dots and select the type of Salesforce org you want to authenticate to, production or Sandbox. Allow the scopes prompted for the Centro application, and this will then authenticate your Microsoft Teams user to your Salesforce user. Back in the Microsoft application, give your screen a refresh and navigate back to the Agentforce tab. Then you will see the agents in which you are allowed to utilize. You can test this quickly by selecting your agent and navigating to a DM to interact with the agent. Here you can ask the agent questions and see the response. This is how you authenticate employee agents into Microsoft Teams using Centro. Please reach out with any questions.